Hey, in this specific video, you're going to learn how to use the Akismet spam plugin. Now, the reason why WordPress created Akismet is to combat blog comments and track back spam. If you create a WordPress blog, you're bound to get a ton of spam because there's a lot of people out there with softwares that are trying to get backlinks to their sites using your blog. So you definitely want to protect your blog with Akismet. So what you do is you go to the plugins section, click on activate, and what you need to do is you need to enter a Akismet API key right here. And to get your key, you'll need to click on this link and click on get an Akismet API key. Now, it used to be the case where you could go to WordPress.com and create an account there and get an API key. However, that is no longer supported with WordPress.com accounts. With personal blogs, Akismet is free, and if you click on that, that's a personal blog. However, if your site is for business or if you're promoting a product or service, you'll need to pick the paid option. Now, obviously, Akismet, you don't need it, and you could probably use a different plugin to combat spam. However, it is one of the best spam combating plugins out there. So let's say, for example, that your site is a personal blog. You'll want to fill out your details in step number 2, and you will receive the Akismet subscription here. So this is free. And the next thing you'll need to do is simply access your email. So I went ahead and accessed my email account and got the API key and entered that here. And let's see, I can do auto delete, spam submitted on posts. I can show the number of comments that you've approved beside each comment author. I'm going to go ahead and click on update options. And I can always come back and update this later on. So that's it. And now my WordPress blog is protected by the Akismet spam plugin.